ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to tell you about the Canopus. First of all, I am the representative of the Canopus Institute, and the founder and the chairman of the Canopus Institute is Mr. Shamshad Sir. And firstly, I want to tell you about what is Canopus and where it is located. So Canopus is the institute of English language and also the computer courses. And in the Canopus, we learn so many things. And also, and now we am now I'm I would like to tell you about the importance of English in this time and in this generation. We all know that English plays very important role in this generation, because they are all works, we are going anywhere and we are doing anything. All things are in English. Although we are using our mobile phones, most of the people don't know the English. They can use mobile phone normal, but they don't know the basic features of the mobile phones. They can use, but if there any problem causes in their phone, but they don't know how to handle this problem. So we all know the importance of English role. Also, if we want to do any job, we need to talk in English, and we need to also represent ourselves in front of everyone in English. And in this time, we are going anywhere, in any places, like historical places. There also foreigners are coming, and we want to talk with them. So we need to be talk in English. So that, and also we are talking English. we are talking in English. We are talking with our friends, but we are not comfortable with it, because we are talking in Hindi since our childhood. So in the Canopus, if you come to the Canopus, you can also build your confidence. You can also build your personality, because Canopus gives you the opportunity to build your confidence and your personality, because we are doing lots of activities in the Canopus to build up our activity and to build up our personality. We are also going for the public speaking, so that we can comfortable with the public, and we easily talk with the public, and we can hesitate in this in Canopus. There are lots of activities. Lots of activities, and if I tell you, there are 20 plus activities in the Canopus. But the main activity is that public speaking, personality development and confidence development, remove hesitation and accent and your tonality. You can also improve your tonality and your accent. Or because we are talking in Hindi since our childhood, so we can't comfortable in English properly. So we also need to improve our accent and our tonality, so that we can easily comfortable with the foreigners, and also we can talk with foreigners easily, and we can also understand, and so that they can also understand our English, what we are saying. And you can also learn computers, because Canopus gives you also the opportunity to learn the computers, because we all know that in this era and in this generation, computers are very used. We can say that computer is the common and the important thing in this generation, because we can do anything without any help of computer and in the English. And if you want to also operate the computer, you also need to learn the English, because in the computer the language is in English. So if you want to do any job in computer field and in any multinational company, you need to perfect in your computer and your English. If you want to these facilities, and if you want to build up your confidence, accent and your tonality. You can also remove your fear in Canopus Institute. So please come in the Canopus Institute so that you can build your confidence, your personality, your accent, and your tonality, and you can remove your fear. Thank you.